Is your girl back with a little baby haul? Yes, she is. I think I might start saving my stuff and doing hauls again. I really wanted to do a like Instagram for like planning posting, but I think I need to like just rearrange my brain. Do you know what I mean? Maybe not. I don't know. I think I focus on too many things and then I focus on no things. So I think I need to focus on less things. So we're just going to throw this up as a haul and call it a day. If you want to hear me ramble about things that I purchased, this is the video for you. This is the video for you. So let's go ahead and just start at the tippy top. So first things first is I do have an order from Hannah. It's funny because I placed this order and then the same day she brought it to me. And I was like, wow, fastest shipping ever. So I did already use one of the sticker sheets, one of the freebies. This is my new freebie, which let me show you it so you can get a little visual. I don't know if this video will be up first or the other one, but if not, you're going to preview. If not, this video is already up. So I did use like the little sprinkly bits, which are cut out in squares, which I'll show you on the freebie, along with the little crown, which I feel like I sized this more to go on like these size, but I think it works well here as well. Number one read, 6 stars, and then I also used the DNF. It's a little hard to see because this one's like black. It'll be easier to see on like a lighter color, but you get the picture, right? You get the picture. So let me show you one that's not used. This is in red. So just to keep life easy, because I didn't want Hannah to have to like cut out individually little like things, I just like have this little design cut in a square. So it's just like outside cut, line, 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 which I think is easier than like, you know what I'm saying? Keep it easy. You have a DNF, you have a little crown, number one read, and 6 stars. Because sometimes your number one read of the month isn't a 6-star, so I thought that those like could be the same book, but also like maybe you don't have any 6 stars and you just have a number one read. But I wanted to do something that was like for the reading journal girlies, well, peoples, and like still like you want to like collect them all. Do you know what I mean? Like this could be used literally anytime depending on the foil that you get. You can just plop it in wherever. Then I told Hannah that I really wanted these. So these are the Disney cruise ships. And she also did one with just the regular Disney logo, which I'm probably going to pick up. And this is for the Disney Wish, which my kids don't know, but we're going on a cruise in a couple days. So I have this in sparkly red. And then I also have this, which I just sent her like a little file. And I was like, I need these two quotes, which you could get custom quote boxes in the shop. I was just like, I just need these. So this is a wish come true in the sparkly red. And then I also got be proud of who you are in pastel rainbow for my pride spread. And then I did pick up some things for that spread that I was talking about. There's also the freebie journaling card in here. The spread that I was talking about before, I'm going to use the Magical Cruise, which is funny because I actually used that like kit like already this year, so I was like LOL. But I picked up these because I really don't need the bottom one, but I wanted the top, and I'm gonna do like a manual mixed metal where I take cut out red and then put it like every other. I think that'll be really, really cute. I was gonna do just one, but I was like, honestly, I can't not. And then I did get the waves in dark blue, I think it was, or deep blue, one or the other. And then these nautical in the gold. I wanted to switch it up from like what I did earlier in the year. And I might actually look in my stash for a sparkly red, because I think I have regular just sparkly red bougie and put them on the very bottom. So it's like red, blue, sparkly gold. It is like the 4th of July week, but honestly, like really don't care about the 4th of July in the current state of the world. But it like, those are the colors of the Disney cruise. So it kind of works out. Then I do also have 2 of my, what's it called? What are these called? Sticky subscriptions. I did unsubscribe for a second, and I think I didn't resubscribe to the classic one, but now that I'm in my like Hobonichi life, I was like, these are honestly perfect little like kits for those, just like stickers to like stick around. Do you know what I mean? So I went ahead and resubscribed to these 2. This is, I believe, the Pop Pack and the Cute Pack. I'm assuming this is Pop and this is Cute, but honestly, I don't really remember. They come in like envelopes, and also I ended up getting like 2 of like the same month that I already had. I don't really know what happened there, but I just used the stickers anyways. This is really cute. I think this art's from like a past one as well, like the little like doggo in the like, it looks very like 50s, I think, attire, like almost looks like a detective. And then it says Best Buzz, which I think is very, very cute. And it always comes in these pouches, which I never save. If anybody out here uses these specifically and wants me to like save them and you can like, I'll put them in your order. Like every once in a while when I have a bunch, let me know. It says BFF, which is cute. And then this is adorable as well with a capybara, which is please hesitate to reach out to me in a new message, which is very cute. And then on the other side, I really like this artist. I actually follow them on Instagram. Artsy JD. Very, very cute. I love, it's like very like sassy stickers. Very cute. And then this one here is Goo Garogu, which is kind of like fruit and bug themed, which I do love. Then we have some puppies with their owners, with their parents. And then again, another one from, this one's Dog DGO Drawing. And then Goo Garogu again with like some more like pop kind of looking stickers. I like these. I like the square ones. They come in handy more often than not. And then this one's really cute. Jessie Carper. I'd follow them because it looks really cute. I love the frogs. This is Besties BFF, which is funny because like my best friend of the longest time, like over like almost 2 decades, is afraid of frogs. Like deathly afraid. And then this one is Joyful Scribbled, which is very cute. It looks like tofu, honestly. Like this is tofu. So I think I have to follow them too. I love like that they have the artist down here so that I can follow them. This one is Ruslana Lunabits coffee like foiled stickers. And then this one is Ruslana Lubets, which is some more coffee stickers. I think I've seen their art before. This reminds me of Nick. This is just very Nick's like vibe and energy. Very cute. Love it, love it, love it. I think the subscription's like $12, which I feel like is not bad for the amount of stuff you get, you know? This one is Splish Splash. You have a little shark stamp, which I always do save the stamps. And then there's this little note pouch. I feel like I have this notepad or something similar to it, but I get so many notepads, I never know what to do with all of them, I'm being honest with you. I like the vinyl sticker better, or like a bookmark or something. But obviously we can't cater to just me. So this is Milk Ghost, which is very cute. It is very like Explorer Ocean vibes, which I love. I love this box here. I think that's fun. I like the fan. I think that's cute. And then this one is some like cat mermaids, question mark. I might give this one to Kindness Chest. Anything that's like super cat themed, I'm like, it's going to Kindness Chest. I just have a pile at work and I'm like, I send them every once in a while. Oh my God. This is Nameless MM2 with the sharks. That is so cute. And the otters and the cookie. And I don't know what that is, but there's penguins. This is adorable. It like hurts. And then this one here is Gummy. Some cute little axolotls, which are very adorable. Same thing here. So cute. They look like little lilas. Oh my God. The sharks and the seals. I'm going to actually throw up. These remind me of Lila and Theo. And then there's this one here, which is kind of like a bunny. And this one, I don't know. It's Youqu. It's very cute. It's very cute. And then this one, oh, it's Papershire. Oh, what are the odds? What are the odds? We know Papershire. That is so fun. And again, very like ocean themed. Super stinking cutie. Love that. Then we're going to go into a new shop to me. This is Sin Studios, and they like hand wrote my whole order, which is wild. So I did subscribe to their, like this whole thing was a rabbit hole, honestly, a very big rabbit hole. So okay, there's a journaling card. I saved these things for my junk journal, you know. Well, it's not even a junk journal this time. There's this too. It's just my Hobonichi became my junk journal. So I have this cute little card, which whenever I put cards in my journal, I always like peel them so that they're thinner. And then a lot of the times I can use the front and the back. And it's honestly, I love peeling things. So I always do that just in case, a little tip. Then I have my main order, and then I also subscribe to like their Patreon. Now, I don't really know like why this was like a thing that like needed to happen, but like sometimes it just happens that way. Do you know what I mean? Like not really sure how we got here, but like I'm not mad that we're here, if that makes sense. So yeah, there was, I think that these are freebies. Freebie. And then I think the rest I may have ordered. So basically this is like build your own, is it isometric or ISO something room? And I don't know. Like, if your guess is as good as mine. So this says tea party, you're invited. This reminds me of like a Magic the Gathering card, and I love it. It's on a vinyl like situation. This is like a little, this is on like This is on like a textured mat. Just like different stickers, like little freebie stickers. And then this was a freebie, I think, if you ordered like the Room Club, because I think that they do have other like stickers, but I like the Room Club stuff. So these are just like cut out little dolls, and they're like chubby little babies, and like I just think that they're so cute, and all these little like furniture bits and hairstyles, and you can like dress them up, and I just don't know why, but like this is the vibe of my life now, you know what I mean? $35 tier freebie. And then this is all the stuff that I purchased. So I did purchase some dolls. So I have some cream dolls here. And then I have Saggy's Hair Salon in Colorful, so little hair to put on them. And then I did pick up some rooms. These are kind of like thicker. I'm assuming these are stickers, right? Yeah, they're stickers, but they're thick. So this is like a little window with water droplets. We have the checkered floor in purple, the checkered floor in pastels. We have the cloudy room and then the dark room. And then I have, these are on like a clear paper. These are fairy lights. And then I did pick up some animal bases because we need variety, and then sweet angel outfits. These are all like, they're on the little stand, but you just peel them off and stick them on the person. And then there is hair and outfit ideas here again, which like the hair kind of matches, but these are all like cut out so you can just stick them on your little person. And then I did pick up some of the B grade sheets here. These are the B grade room blanks. So these are just like slightly off in some way, which I always just don't care because I'm not here for perfection. So we have a purple one. Can't tell you what's wrong with it. This one is another purple one, and then a wood and brick one. Again, I don't know what's wrong with these. So maybe like the color here, or I don't really know. I don't know what's wrong with them, but I'm going to use them all. So we got more rooms. I did get a room mystery bundle that has 5 deco sheets. Obviously, we'll save these stickers for my journal. I'm just going to rip it open. So this was like a mystery. I love a mystery too. Like, give me a mystery. I'm like your prime audience here. I don't, because I'm just like, give it all to me. So we have the deco one, which has like a moss wall, some deco bits like skulls, mirrors, windows, computers facing different ways, Amazon boxes, lamps. This is cafe 2, so you want to build your own little cafe. It has all the bits and bobs. Garden 1, which is very cute. I love the little like garden door. And the alien one, which I did actually get this, so I'll have a little bit extra. Alien 1, and then wisteria one, which I think this one is also the wisteria one. So I'll have extra little beds and clouds and kitties and such. And then they do have like room packs. This is like a smaller room pack, and then they have bigger room packs. Honestly, guys, I'm sorry. I know this isn't what you signed up for, but like, here we are. How stinking adorable is all of this? It like kind of hurts how cute it is. So this is like an alien room pack. It even comes with alien outfits. Again, I don't know how we got here, but we got here. Then this is the wisteria room pack. So this has like the actual room. It has some like clear curtains with foil. And then we have the bed options. Like, this is why I bought so many rooms, because this is like obviously more than enough to do like many rooms. And this is just going to be, it's like coloring, I feel like a fun little activity. This has like rugs and like wall decor. This one has like even a bunk bed, windows that are like protruding, and bookshelves and plants and wall decor. Got dressers and chairs and more decor. And this one is like shelves and computer chairs and all kinds of stuff. And then you get the room to put it all in. Like, what? So cute. And then I did subscribe, like I said, to the Patreon room club. So every month, or maybe it's like every other month. I think it's every month. You get like a little pack in the mail. So this is just like a little room that's just like a vinyl sticker. And then this is the little like card that's on front. So this is a ducky themed. So then there, oh, well, this, you don't need that code. That's my code. And then it's basically enough to do like a little room. Like, there's plenty on here to do like a whole bathroom. Again, I don't really know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Just let me be. I did bring home some stuff from ScribblePrintsCo. I actually need to grab more of these. This is my reminder to myself when I'm editing to grab more of those. But I did grab some things. I shop from like the new releases I bring home, so I just needed these things. So I did get 3 of the Moonlit Mood solid boxes, 3 of the Camp Vibe solid, because I already had one at home of all these, and then I did do 3 of the Magical Cruise, which actually maybe I'll just do this underneath, but maybe we'll see like what kind of red I have, because if I have a red, I don't want to do 4 layers. I think if I have a red, I will skip these and just, you know, return. And then this is the Farmer Scribbler. This is 089-3, because I get 3 because I have brown hair for the most part. So from SBC. And then I have like a little surprise mail from Domi, which I will leave Domi's Instagram down below. But Hannah was like, Domi sent you these. And I was like, oh my God. So it came in this cute little bag, which I will reuse. I always reuse bags like that. And then there was a bookmark. I don't have a book near me. Basically, you put this in and then this hangs out, which I love that. And it says reading era. It's so stinking cutie. And then this one says Andrea and it has all these cute little colors on the outside, rainbow, which I love. And then this one says BG Girly, which is so cute, which is funny because me and Hannah were making friendship bracelets for the cruise I'm going on. I did ones that say wish. And then she was like, oh, we should order like stuffed, like little beads to do BGG and then like dice. And I didn't even see this prior. So how stinking cute is this? Ugh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Okay, and she got my wrist size perfect. Oh my God. Thank you, Domi. I love it. It's so cute. It's perfect. Perfection. Oh my God. I love. Thank you. And I'm definitely going to be using this in my book because I love like things like this. I love like tactile things like that I could just like twirl around and like play with. And then also I just love like extra like maximalist decor. So even when I'm not using a physical book, I'll just like put this in my bookshelf and just let it dangle down. So thank you, Domi. Love you. You're the best that there ever was. So that is everything for this little whole video. I hope you liked it. I know that it was a little bit chaos all over the place, but honestly, like if you're here with me, I think that you might have just signed up for it unknowingly. So I love you. I'll talk to you later. Bye.